Hey Eric, this is Zach from 6x6 Media out of Paris, Texas. Called and talked to y'all's front desk earlier today and told them I was going to be shooting this video and sending it over just to kind of show you what I do, how I can help grow your business. I want to take the time to give you three things that you can do today to help bring in more clients to Parkwood Collision. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, now why would I be doing this and what's in it for us? Well, a lot of times in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who to trust. So I found by giving people a three-step plan of actual things that they can do that really work, impact their business for free, has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and asking me to help them out further along. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm cool with that too. I really just enjoy being able to help out local businesses. So now let me go ahead and just jump into these three things I want to show you today. I don't want to waste any more of y'all's time. I know y'all are trying to stay busy right now. The number one thing that I want to talk about today is going to be content. And content is anything on your homepage that can be highlighted. Now, Google wants to see at least 1,500 words worth of content on your homepage, followed by 5 to 750 words worth of content on any service pages and back pages. And they want this to be dense in keywords that pertain to your industry and your location. Well, I have this tool called SEO Quake that you can actually download and use for free that does website analysis for content, and it looks like y'all only have 453 words on your homepage. Now, that's short of that 1,500, but you could definitely reach the 1,500 mark and really optimize your keywords. Now, I did a search for Body Shop Frisco, and the number one shop that pops up behind Yelp is going to be Frisco Paint and Body. So we're going to go take a look at their website, kind of see what they're doing right to get that number one spot. And really, they're short on content too, just by looking at it. Going to go to SEO Quake. So they've only got 485 words. So, I mean, that's one thing already that you could get ahead of them with is by going to what you need to be at the 1,500 word mark. Now we're going to go to this other tool that I have called Ahrefs and take a look at keywords and traffic. So as far as traffic goes, y'all are only bringing in 8 clients to your website a month, whereas Frisco Paint Body is driving in 122 to their website. And I know that not every person that visits your website is going to turn into a client, but even if 20% of them did, that's close to another 25 people you have coming through your front door. I know a lot of people are thinking right now that with the pandemic, business is going to slow down and whatnot, but there's still really a lot of traffic and clients to get a hold of out there, especially in the Frisco area, as you can see right here, because they're still bringing in 122 even with everything going on. Now we're going to take a look at keywords, and whenever you start ranking for a keyword, you want to rank for a generic keyword, because if you have somebody that doesn't know who they're going to use for a collision center, they're just going to type in something generic like Body Shop Frisco, like what I did. And here we go right here. So somebody searches just Frisco Paint and Body. It's a 200 search volume. Y'all are ranking number 14 for it right now, but if you get closer to that top position, you're going to be bringing in a lot more traffic because more people are going to see that. Same thing with Frisco Body Shops, 50 search volume. You can just see down through here, there's a lot of different keywords that you can target to bring in a lot more traffic. We're going to go take a look at Frisco Paint and Body's keywords as well. Just kind of see what they're doing. So they're ranking number 1 for Frisco Paint and Body. That's bringing in 60. Same thing, Frisco Body Shop. Just bringing in a lot of traffic just by ranking high for all these keywords. That being said, I want to go ahead and go to the second thing I want to talk about today. That's going to be citations in the Google Map Pack. So this is the Google Map Pack, and you can see right here, they're also in the number 1 spot here on the Google Map Pack. So this is getting them double visibility whenever someone searches for a body shop in Frisco. They're getting it right there, and they're the first actual business listed in the organic. The way that you achieve this spot is through what are called citations, which are your name, address, and phone number entered into a bunch of different indexes throughout the web, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, YouTube, so on and so forth, including local indexes. I did a search for both yours and their citations, so you see they've only got 43 citations and y'all have 21. So this is another thing that tells me that this number 1 spot would be easy to take over, because whenever we start working with a company, we like to get them to the 200 to 300 citation mark. That way you just kind of blow all your competition out of the water and they can't catch up. That being said, we're going to go to the next thing, which is going to be backlinks. Essentially, a backlink is where you have website A pointing to website B. And by doing this, website B is gaining more authority in Google's eyes and kind of winning a popularity contest, because the more backlinks that you have that are of high quality and that relate to your industry, the more authority you're going to be gaining through Google. And I actually did a search for both of y'all's websites as far as backlinks go. So you have your trust flow, citation flow. Your trust flow is how popular the websites that you're getting your backlinks from are. Your citation flow is your number of backlinks. So right here, let me back up a little bit. You want to have a 1-to-1 ratio on these, and right now y'all have a 0 trust flow, so that it's totally blown out of the water. But at the same time, I'm looking over here at Frisco Paint and Body. They don't have a high trust flow either. So once again, this is just something else that would be easy to get in front of them on and just overtake that number one spot that they have going on right now and just kind of take some more of that traffic for yourself. That being said, I want to touch the 3 things that we talked about today. Number 1 was content, 1,500 words on your homepage, 750 on service pages, and good keywords. Number 2 were citations in the Google Map Pack. You want at least 200 to 300 citations in order to be in that number 1 spot and keep anybody else from achieving it. Number 3 were backlinks. You want good, high-quality backlinks that pertain to your industry and that bring you a lot of power from Google. That way you have even more authority for your area in your industry. So with that being said, Eric, I appreciate your time and taking the time to watch this video. If you like what you heard, reach out to me. Once again, my name is Zach. My number is 903-715-7876. I'd like to just sit down and kind of talk to y'all about what your goals are as a business, how I can help, and maybe where you're trying to move right now. That being said, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it's helpful. Reach out to me with any questions, and y'all have a great day.